Okay, so how do I not offend others, be demanding, or feel like I need to apologize in any situation dealing with alpha gal syndrome?
So I think in that situation, one thing that would be really important to do is really think about and identify if that is internal messaging that you is really coming from your thoughts about it, or whether that is coming from external messages that you're getting. Because it's a little bit different. If you can figure out which way it's going, then it's a little bit easier to address. And so if it's that internal messaging, then I would just encourage you to, well, you or anyone, to just sit again, like what we talked about before, just sit with it and observe it and allow the difficult thoughts, which I don't know what may be coming up, but I've had experience with all different kinds of things coming up. Like, I am just a pain. I am inconveniencing other people. Again, just noticing and naming those things, like we've already talked about, would be very helpful in that situation. If it's coming from a particular person or a particular group of people, I think it's really important to clarify the type of relationship it is and the value that the relationship has, and also what is in your control and what isn't in your control. So you don't really have any control about what other people think. And if this relationship is one that is important for you to continue, then I think that there would be all different kinds of routes you could take. Maybe have a conversation with the person about how difficult it is. Maybe share an article with them. Maybe share some of your own experiences. And if you've already done that and you are getting that messaging and it is important for you to continue this relationship, then I would encourage you to explore doing other activities with this person that don't surround food. Maybe going to a park, going to a museum, maybe actually having them to your house to eat, or things of that nature where you actually have control over the food that you serve. But just to get creative in what you can control, and also be mindful of trying to figure out and piece out, and sometimes it's coming both internally and externally, but try to piece that out so you can decide what kind of direction that you want to take.
That's great. Thank you.